Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee Phin. First, gather your essential tools: a traditional Vietnamese Phin filter, a sturdy glass or mug, and freshly boiled water. For the best flavor, choose a dark roast coffee, ground coarsely. Ensure your water is hot, around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, to properly extract the rich coffee notes. This simple setup is key to a perfect brew. Next, place 2 to 3 tablespoons of your chosen coffee grounds into the Phin filter. Give the Phin a gentle tap on your counter to ensure the coffee bed is perfectly level. This creates an even surface for water to pass through. Now, pour a small amount of hot water, about 1/4 cup, over the grounds. This crucial bloom step allows the coffee to degas, preparing it for optimal extraction. Once the coffee has bloomed for about 30 seconds, carefully place the press plate on top of the grounds, pressing down gently. Now, fill the Phin completely with hot water, right up to the top rim. Watch as the rich, dark coffee slowly drips into your cup below. This process should take approximately 5 to 7 minutes, yielding a strong, aromatic brew. After all the coffee has slowly dripped into your cup, carefully remove the Phin filter. You now have a concentrated, flavorful coffee base. Many enjoy it with 2 to 3 teaspoons of sweetened condensed milk for a classic Vietnamese iced coffee, or simply with sugar. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly brewed Phin coffee, hot or over ice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.